Hello everybody, so this is going to be day 2, and so we're just taking a quick look at the birds on this little bit of a wet day, and they're just kind of hanging out in their cage because it stopped raining for a minute, and so let's go take a look at those eggs. So here are the eggs on day 2. You can see them all 5, and we have our 8 chicken eggs in there as well. So I'm going to candle all the chicken eggs and all of the parrot eggs, and we will see how they're doing. Okay, so here's the first parrot egg. And it's a little hard to see. They are still very new. But you can kind of see that there's a little air pocket right next to my thumb there, and a little dark spot right there. So there's number 1, and let's go see number 2. This one just goes right back. And we take the second egg, put it onto the special little candler, and press it on. It's a little bright for the camera, but let's see. Okay, so there's the egg, not the egg, the air pocket over there. And that is the little baby, most likely. It's a little hard to see. It's a little yellow, darker yellow spot. So, yeah, there's number 2. Here's number 3. This one's a little difficult. There we go. That looks like the darker spot, and there's the air pocket. Yep, there we go. Alright, number 4. There's the air pocket by my thumb. And there's that yellow spot right there. And now, let's do 5, number 5, right here. I think this is the smallest egg that we have, but that's okay. Air pocket, you can see that. And looks like that right there is the baby. So those were all 5 of the parrot eggs, and now I'm going to start candling the chicken eggs, just so we can see. These fit much better and you can really see them. So there's the chicken, and you'll see it move as I move the egg. And they have air pockets too, but this egg is pretty dark. I don't know if we can see it. That was number 1. And there's the baby. It's number 2. Let's try this blue one. This is from an Americana. There's the 3rd one. Very good. Let's try this little fella. Oh, you can see that one really nicely. Right there. Wow. Okay. Let's do this fellow next. There it is. Right there. Oh, it sounds like the birds are attempting to say hi. Hello. I know you're gonna have such cute babies. Yes. This one's a little smaller. It's a little hard to see it, but it's kind of right there. Yeah, there it is. You can see it by my thumb. It's kind of right next to the X. Oh, there it is. Yep. This one is right about there. It's a little It's a little hard to see on these smaller eggs. That's it right there. So that was all the eggs. And let's turn the candler off. And you can see that it is we have 19 days left. So, yeah. So, with 19 days to go, these are our eggs. And last thing that I am going to do is take my water. And I'm just going to fill this up a little because the humidity isn't exactly right because we just took the lid off. You can see it was at 20 something and now it's raising a little. So now you can see the water's just about, well, we could use a little more. There we go. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. And each day we are going to candle the eggs to see the progression of the babies. And we'll go all the way up until the babies are full grown. Okay, bye. I'll see you tomorrow.